Hello everyone, welcome back to ELC-Studies. Today we will explore the essential components and techniques for creating a professional correspondence that leaves a lasting impression. So let's get started. So what is a business letter? A business letter is a formal written communication between two parties in a business context. It is often used for various purposes such as making inquiries, placing orders, providing information, or conveying decisions. The business letters follow a specific format and tone to maintain professionalism. Types of business letters. The first type is inquiry letter. It is used to request information about products, services, or other matters of interest. For example, a potential customer writing to a supplier inquiring about their product specifications. Number two is order letter. It is used to place an order for products or services. For example, a company placing an order for office supplies from a supplier. Number three is refusal letter. It is written to politely decline a request or proposal. For example, a company declining a partnership proposal from another company due to strategic misalignment. Number 4 is acceptance letter. It is used to accept an offer, proposal, or invitation. For example, an individual accepting a job offer from a company. Number 5 is quotation letter. It provides pricing details for products or services requested by a potential customer. For example, a supplier sending a quotation for a bulk order of electronics to a retailer. Number 6 is follow up letter. It is sent to remind someone about an earlier request, conversation, or action. For example, a salesperson following up with a potential client after a product demonstration. Number 7 is cancellation letter. It is used to cancel an order, subscription, or service. For example, a customer writing to cancel a magazine subscription. Number 8 is compliance letter. It addresses issues of non compliance with regulations or policies. For example, an organization sending a compliance letter to an employee for violating company policies. Number 9 is claim letter. It is sent to request compensation for damages or losses. For example, a customer writing to an insurance company to make a claim for a car accident. Number 10 is adjustment letter. It is issued in response to a complaint, explaining actions taken to rectify the situation. For example, a company responding to a customer complaint by explaining how they will address the issue. Number 11 is settlement letter. This letter is used to negotiate a settlement or resolution in legal or financial matters. For example, two parties agreeing on terms and conditions to settle a contractual dispute. Number 12 is collection letter. This letter is sent to remind customers about overdue payments. For example, a creditor sending a collection letter to remind a debtor about an unpaid invoice. Number 13 is sales letter. It promotes a product or services to potential customers. For example, a company sending a sales letter to introduce a new software product to businesses. Let's discuss the structure of a business letter. First is letterhead or sender's address. The letterhead includes the sender's company name, logo, and contact information. It is placed at the top of the letter for brand identity and easy contact. For example, XYZ Corporation, 123 Main Street, Anytown, USA, phone number, dash dash dash. Next is reference line. The reference line indicates the purpose or subject of the letter. It helps the recipient quickly understand the context of the communication. For example, reference, order number 12345. Date. The date indicates when the letter was written. It is usually placed just below the sender's address and it is an important part of the letter. Good or neutral newsletter. These letters convey positive or neutral information such as acknowledgements, confirmations, or routine updates. For example, confirming receipt of a job application and informing the applicant about the next steps. Bad or negative newsletters. These letters deliver unfavorable information in a sensitive and professional manner. For example, informing a job applicant that they were not selected for the position but expressing appreciation for their interest. Follow 7 C's of communication. The 7 C's of communication are clear, concise, concrete, correct, coherent, complete, and courteous. Example of applying the 7 C's to a business letter is: we appreciate your interest in our services and products. After careful review, we regret to inform you that we have chosen a candidate whose qualifications more closely align with our current needs. We want to thank you for taking the time to apply and wish you the best in your future endeavors. To watch a comprehensive video on the 7 C's of communication, please click on the link that appears on your screen. Remember, effective communication is essential in business letters to convey intended message clearly and professionally. Thank you so much for watching. I trust you found this lesson valuable. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging videos like this. Stay tuned and keep learning.